please stand comfortably. Stand comfortably with your feet a comfortable distance apart, and then simply fold down into a kind of a crouch, whatever works for you. Crouch down comfortably. Just go down only as far as is comfortable, and then return back up. Again, fold down just once or twice, just so checking to make sure there's no discomfort in your knees, your ankles, your low back, and then come on back up. Secondly, please kneel. So come down to kneeling on both knees, toes perhaps lengthened out behind you. Notice how that feels. And now sink down, bring your buttocks down towards your heels, and then back up. And repeat that once or twice. Just notice how far is comfortable. That's great. Now come back up so that you can half kneel. And by half kneel, I mean down on one knee, which your right knee, and your left foot standing. You may need a chair to support you. And now come down onto that knee. And in that position, notice your degree of stability, left or right, forward or back, and then down on with your right knee down, reach forward with your right hand as if you were to pull a weed, and then pull it back. Then reach forward with your left hand as if you were to pull a weed from the ground and come back. Next, switch your legs. That is, have your left knee on the floor, the right foot standing. Again, check your balance, side to side, letting your upper body go side to side or forward and back. And then reach forward with your left hand as if you're picking up something from the ground or pulling a weed. And then with your right hand, once or twice. This is just for testing and assessing for yourself. Then come on back up. Finally, think of holding a shovel. Think of holding a shovel and a long-handled shovel, and how you would put one foot onto the top of the shovel and push in. And think of doing that, trying and doing it several times. What's your sense of balance? Pushing with that one foot, pushing the shovel into the floor, into the ground. And then how are you going to lift up that shovel with a little bit of dirt in it? So thinking you've got a little bit of weight at the end of the shovel, how are you going to lift up that shovel? How do you use yourself to lift up that shovel? Great. And that's all. And we'll repeat these very same things at the end. Thank you very much. Enjoy your class.